Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to Storytime with Miss Trevino. Today's story we are going to read Llama Llama Misses Mama by Anna Dooney. Let's get started. Llama Llama warm in bed, wakey wakey sleepyhead. Llama school begins today. Time to learn and time to play. Make the bed and find some clothes. Brush the teeth and blow the nose. Eat some breakfast. Clean the plate. Whoops! Oh my, we're running late. Drive to school and park the car. Tell the teacher who you are. Meet new faces, hear new names, see new places, watch new games. Hang the coat and say goodbye. Llama Llama feeling shy. Llama Llama goes away. Llama Llama has to stay. Strange new teacher, strange new toys, lots of kids and lots of noise. What would Llama like to do? Llama Llama feels so new. Build a castle out of blocks. Make a rocket from a box. Llama Llama shakes his head. Llama walks away instead. Here's a little Chuckachoo with a captain and a crew. Would the llama like to ride? Llama Llama tries to hide. Reading stories on the rug. Kids are cuddled, sitting snug. Would the llama like to look? Llama Llama hates that book. Time for lunch. Now find a seat. Llama doesn't want to eat. Llama makes a little moan. Llama Llama feels alone. Llama misses Mama so. Why did Mama Llama go? It's too much for the little llama. Llama Llama misses Mama. Don't be sad, new little llama. It's okay to miss your mama. But don't forget, when the day is through, she will come right back to you. Llama Llama, please don't fuss. Have some fun and play with us. Put on coats and run outside. See the playhouse. Try the slide. Tag and jump rope. Hide and seek. Close your eyes and do not peek. Now it's time to draw and write. Great big crayons, colors bright. Take some paper from the stack. Mama Llama, you came back. Teacher gets a goodbye hug. Wave to friends on reading rug. Climb the playhouse with the slide. See if Mama fits inside. Lots to show and lots to say. Back again another day. He loves Mama. And school too. The end, boys and girls. All right, on your worksheet, do not forget to write your name and the title of the book. Remember, this story was called Llama Llama Misses Mama. So on the characters, you can put Llama Llama, you can put Mama Llama, and you can put all the other animals in the story. I know there was a zebra. There was all his friends at the school. There was some sheep, and there was some a horse and a donkey. So you can draw all of those there in the characters. In the setting part, boys and girls, you can put Llama Llama and his friends at school. You can put that there. And in the beginning of the story, boys and girls, you can draw Llama Llama in bed when he was waking up. In the middle of the story, you can put Llama and Mama going to school and Llama meeting his friends. At the end of the story, you can draw Llama very happy because he made new friends and he ended up liking school. All right, boys and girls, make sure to do your quality work, quality drawing, and quality coloring. All right, boys and girls, see you next time.